Paper for you, decorate a wonderful life. We created an era, also leading another era. Not content with the status quo. Break the old limitation and explore the unknown field. Dare to change, dare to innovate. PPW Paper, a design-oriented production enterprise adhering to the management tenets of respect heaven and love people, be honest and active, focus on product quality and humanistic quality, establish a good working atmosphere and fully stimulate the enthusiasm of employees, improve the quality and efficiency of work, create a professional service attitude with sincere heart. In the past 20 years since the establishment of PPW, we always adhere to the management concept of sustainable development, insisting on green environmental protection, whole process healthy production. From the strict testing of raw materials to the meticulous in plate making and color correction, international advanced production equipment, skilled technician, full automatic production process, systematic production inspection and supervision. PPW has 2 off-site presses and 3 rotogravure presses, full automatic bag making machine, laminating machine, die cutting machine, bronzing machine, and full automatic production lines for gift wrapping paper, etc. Our products have a complete range of craftsmanship, covering all the process effects in the industry: hot stamping, UV, flocking, glitter, foaming, embossing. And some special techniques are pure handmade, also keeping improving on it. Craftsmanship and quality assurance. Has passed FSC, SEDEX, BSCI, CTPAT, and ISO 9000 Quality System Certificate. It has established PPW's benchmark position in the industry. We listen patiently and understand customers' needs in depth. We analyze carefully, only to perfect every detail. Professional service, unique design, and excellent quality. Well received by customers at home and abroad. This laid a solid foundation for the rapid development of PPW. We entrust with quality and enhance value with word of mouth. Scientific supply chain management, customized service, and perfect quality management system. Meet the one-stop purchasing needs of all customers for paper products. Guarantee both quality and quantity. On-time delivery and 24/7 high-quality service. Provide customers with the most convenient and high-quality service platform. We PPW people are enthusiastic with the mission of let PPW paper products step into life of everyone, adding color to beautiful life of human. Forge ahead with determination. Be brave in responsibility. Be considerate in return. Be in selfless contribution. Proceed without hesitation. Go all out. Leading a trend of the industry with continuously innovative design. We won the favor of many luxury brands in the world. PPW Paper, one-stop convenience service, to be the win indicator of packing paper products in the world.